Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are enjoying summer camp activities. Today, I am here again with the new topic good manners. Good manners means अच्छी आदतें. Dear students, your manners either impress others or depress others. ये जो आपकी जो आदतें हैं, manners हैं, या तो ये किसी को खुश कर सकती हैं या किसी को उदास कर सकती हैं. So, at very young age, from this age, you must adopt such manners in your life which should become a habit. आपको ऐसी manners को adopt करना है कि जो आपकी habit ही बन जाए. So, what type of manners you should opt in your life? Dear students, at home, you must inculcate the habit of get up early in the morning. As you all know, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So dear students, when you get up early in the morning, have your bath, go for prayers and enjoy your breakfast. After that, you should make a well planned schedule for your daily activities. If you go according to the schedule, you will really enjoy everything. You will enjoy games, play, you will be able to watch TV, and if you will make a proper schedule of your day-to-day activities. Next is when someone comes to your home. प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपके घर में कोई आता है, it becomes your duty to wish him with namaste. If some elder one is coming to your home, अगर कोई बड़ा घर पे आता है, it becomes your duty to wish, to say namaste. If someone who is younger than you, जो आपसे छोटा है, तो आप उसको हाय हेलो कह सकते हैं. Then next is try to inculcate the habit of helping your parents at home. How you can help your parents? You can help your parents by arranging your things on your own, like your own school bag, your school shoes, your own dresses, your own wardrobes. आप उन सबको खुद अरेंज कर सकते हैं. With this way you can help your parent at home. Now, adopt some table manners. While having your lunch or breakfast, you should pass on food to others, and while eating, eat with the lips closed and pass on food to the others. Then next is you can help your mother in small activities at home. Now, dear students, now what type of manners you should opt when you are going to school? So when you enter in the school, first of all, make a habit you should be punctual in school. Always reach school in time. When you are entering the school, when you are meeting your friends, either they are elder ones or younger ones or of your age, always wish him or her good morning. When you meet your teachers, wish them good morning. Say good morning to them. Now, next duty in your school, always move in a line. And when you are in class, don't shout. Do not shout in the class में आप चिल्लाकर बात नहीं करेंगे. And always ensure you must have the habit of sharing your things with others. And when you are taking others' things, and never forget to say thank you. Now, the most important thing in the class is when your teacher is teaching, don't interrupt. If you want to say something, if you want to ask something from your teacher during teaching, अगर आप अपनी टीचर से कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं जब आपकी टीचर आपको पढ़ा रही हैं, you can say excuse me and then start asking what you want to ask. So dear students, when you are moving in the school, always move in a line. If you want to go outside from the class, अगर आप क्लास के बाहर जाना चाहते हैं, always take permission from your teacher. So these are the small things which you should opt in your school. Dear students, there are so many small things which you should opt in your life. There are some magical words you should use in your life, like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and say welcome when someone says thanks to you. Then next is uh, say sorry when you hurt someone. By using these small words, you can really impress others. We should use these magical words: thank you, sorry, please, excuse me. With these words we can really impress others, and they really makes others happy. Dear students, adopt these good manners in your life as it will leave a good impression on others. And if you will opt these good manners at a very young age, it will become a habit. I hope you all have enjoyed my you all have enjoyed what I am trying to say, and you will inculcate these habits among you. So it will, as dear students, it will leave a great impression on others, and when you will opt these habits from this very young age, it will become a habit. Thank you.